everyone, I'm here to do a flip through of this skinny classic happy planner. Don't stress, do your best and forget the rest. I love this. This is so pretty. I like this title page. Does it have the year at a glance? No, that's kind of sad. Oh well. I love this. I can probably put a big quote on it. No, okay, so this is navy. Has that as its color scheme. Is that the same every week? It is. Is there like a quote each month that's different? No. Okay. So that's what the monthlies look like. Oh, it doesn't rotate, so it's still the same on the inside. I have noticed that the older planners, sometimes they rotate the inside of each month, but some of the newer planners don't seem to do that, which is sad. It's a leap year. Find your joy. I don't know, I don't normally pick colorful planners, but there's something about this planner that just really spoke to me. I really do like it. Just trying to think about how I can use each facet of this planner. This one is, maybe I'll use that as my budget. Maybe I'll use this for my YouTube videos. Yeah, I think that could be good. Maybe this can be like my soap business or any sort of social media plans I have that month. Goals, as it were. So yeah, all of the same weeklies. You are magic, all of the same monthlies. Believe you can, you're halfway there. Honestly, I wanted one of these planners so bad. I did not want the wrong ones. I just don't really care for the artwork, so I was really happy when they came out with a different design. Dream big. And I really love how plain this is. So I was really glad to get it. I also have a skinny mini, which I'm going to do a flip through next. I just love this. This is so pretty. Okay. Yeah, I really like this. This is nice. Something to think about. This is the Live a Colorful Life. So yeah, this is definitely going to be in my lineup. I feel good about that. And the classic Modern Peach, as well as the wellness book-bound, but I just don't know which one I'm going to take as my on-the-go. So yes, this is the Skinny Classic Planner. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, I hope you'll click like. If you have any questions, comments, feel free to leave them below. If you don't want to miss any of my videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.